Away from that, it is time to review trading activities now at the Exchange Limited. And joining me is equities trader at APT Securities and Funds Limited, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. Mr. Mohammed, a very good afternoon to you. Can you hear me, Mr. Mohammed? Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Can you hear me too?
Loud and clear.
Good afternoon, everyone on the program.
Yes,
good afternoon.
Hang on. Let me make a point. This is the second work day of the month of June, and the market is staying well in green. Started yesterday in green, today green. Take us through what could be responsible for this, and how sustainable is this development? Go ahead.
That shows that the market is on the positive trend, on the green mode. And if you look at last week, we only have a day that market lost. And that was the day that we had a loss in one of the high cap, which is surplus. So the trend in the market in the recent time is green. And this is not unconnected with the fact that we are not only in any season. We have seen a renewed confidence from investors for them to have come to the market. If you see and look at the quantum of trades we have in the market today as regards to the value traded in the market, we traded about 16 billion. This is one of the highest trade that we have in the recent time. So what we have been witnessing in recent time, it shows that there's inflow of funds. Last 2 weeks, it oversubscribed for more than 700%. They were looking for 300 billion and it's been subscribed. The subscriber paid about 2-point-something trillion for the market. So, by the way, but what we're saying in essence is that you can see that there is confidence, there's renewed confidence in the market, and that's what has played out in the market. Look at last week, we have the gaining trend all through the last week, except a day. Today it has started. It started yesterday, and today it's replicating the green, the positive trend. And we should expect it to go in this manner if there is no any negative or bad news in the economy. So we see it that the result that has been released for the audited report are good. Not only that, the first quarter result has also been impressive, because of the fact that whatever the first quarter is doing, that will give confidence to investors that yes, starting a new year with good results is a pointer to the fact that there is possibility that those listed companies can also do in the nearest future. So investors start to take their position in some of these stocks. Not only down to what happened in the market today. You see market is green, as you have rightly said, and you see volume of traded shares is around 622 million units traded today. The value traded is around 16 billion, as I've said earlier. Look at the most traded stocks. We have GTB, we have Fidelity, we have UBA. All of them, they trade in the region of 2 billion each. And that's constituted about almost 40% of what traded in the market. These stocks constitute almost 40% of what traded in the market. So looking at even sectoral indices, you see the banking stock is the most gaining index in the market, which gained about 1.36%, and then NGX growth lost in a great deal by negative 1.33%. And down to the gainers and the losers, we have market price growth in the positive. We have 35 gainers against 28 losers. And the gainer is being led by Honeyflower and SCOA, which gained maximum of 10%, and corn oil led the loser chart by 10%. And that is what we have in the market for today.
So, like I asked you, how sustainable is this?
Yes, the sustainability is what I have already highlighted earlier, because of the fact that not only that those listed companies were able to release good audited reports, audited financial reports, they have also released first quarter results, and this is a pointer to the fact that there's possibility that those listed companies and replicate what they have done last year. And the price at this level, everybody is keen in to see that they can take advantage of the market.
So it's a good time to deal with the exchange. I was asking yesterday that what about interest in the likes of treasury bills and the fixed income space?
Yes, when you see the market moving in this direction, you should be rest assured that the activity in the money market is also performing well. As I've said earlier, look at what the government has gotten from releasing
the bonds,
Sukuk.
The Sukuk bond, yeah.
Yes, Sukuk bond. People subscribe to the tune of 2.3 trillion.
Yeah.
So it shows that the activity in that market is also coming up. And I've said earlier, it shows that there's inflow of funds into this economy. And that's the reason why you are having this kind of posture that we are having currently.
I must thank you so much, as always, for your insights into market analysis. Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Well, indeed, that's our show today. Thank you so very much for being a part of it. I'll see you same time tomorrow, where we will talk more business. Stay with us and enjoy the rest of your day. Make the cash. I'll see ya.